Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to install Filament PHP and create an admin panel. So, let's get started. First we need to install Laravel 10. Create a folder and right-click inside the folder. Now, click on Open in Terminal. Now, type Laravel New Filament, where Filament is your project name. It will take some time to download, depending on your internet connection. So wait for the download to get completed. The download is completed successfully. Now, type cd filament to go to the project directory. Now, open project directory in your editor. We need to create a database for our app. Now, open PHPMyAdmin and create a database called Filament. Now we will download Livewire 3. Open a terminal and type, Composer require Livewire/Livewire, to install Livewire 3. It will take some time to download, depending on your internet connection. So wait for the download to get completed. Now we need to migrate the database. Type PHP artisan migrate to migrate the database. Now we will install Filament PHP. Open Filament PHP site. Filament 3 requires PHP 8.1+, Laravel 10.0+, and Livewire 3.0+. Now, let's install Filament. Copy this command and paste it into your terminal to install Filament. It will take some time to download, depending on your internet connection. So wait for the download to get completed. Now, we will install Filament panels. Copy this command and paste into your terminal. Now, we need to create a new user account. Copy this command and paste into your terminal. Type your name. Now, type your email address. Now, type your password. Do remember this password, as you will need this to log in into Admin Panel. The user account has been created successfully. Now, type PHP artisan serve to run your app. Now, in your browser, type localhost :8000/admin/login. It will display admin login page. Type your email and password to login. You will see admin dashboard page. From here you can change your theme, light, dark, and system theme. Click on Sign Out to log out from the app. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in next tutorial. Till then, stay safe.